Feeling stuck in hitting the bullseye with your B2B email campaigns? In today's B2B world, an email strategy can make or break the pursuit of new clients. A common snag you might be facing is the reliance on broadly cast email lists. These lists often contain contacts who fall outside your ideal customer profile. It's the digital equivalent of trying to shoot fish in a barrel with your eyes closed. The problem is amplified when sales teams overlook the treasure troves that are niche directories. Platforms like Clutch.co and Crunchbase.com are awash with pinpointed information, yet remain underutilized. Why does this matter? Because targeting the right audience isn't just a shot in the dark, it's a science. Niche directories are the data labs where precision meets opportunity. The implications of not using these resources are costly. You fight an uphill battle against low conversion rates, leading to a thinner pipeline and slower growth. Every misdirected email is a missed opportunity to connect with a potential lead who fits your business like a glove. It's not just numbers that suffer, but the morale of your team as well. They want wins. They crave the satisfaction that comes from a successful pitch to a receptive ear. In this article, we'll unravel the ways you can skip the noise and dial straight into the channels that matter. It's not about doing more, it's about doing smarter. By leveraging the specific, targeted utilities of niche directories, you can craft a strategy that not only reaches the right people, but speaks their language too. Nasher. Step 1. Identify relevant niche directories. First things first, let's sift through the clutter. Your goal is to zero in on directories that align with your industry and business needs. Begin by researching directories that are specific to your niche. Why? Because a general directory might be too vast and diluted. Niche directories are curated spaces where like-minded professionals and businesses congregate. You want in on these communities. Make a list of these industry-specific platforms. Check out what your competitors are using and ask around in professional circles. Then, dive deep into understanding the value each directory provides. Will it connect you with IT firms, marketing agencies, or financial services companies? Match the offerings with your target market to ensure you're barking up the right tree. Here's the thing. Not all directories are created equal. Some will offer rich, detailed information, while others might only give you surface-level data. Put your time and resources into the ones that give you quality intel. Think verified emails and thorough business profiles, which are pure gold for figuring out who to talk to. In summary, lay the groundwork by identifying and prioritizing niche directories. It sets the stage for targeted outreach, ensuring that when you swing, you'll hit with precision. The more aligned the directory with your market, the greater your chances of turning contacts into clients. Now, Step 2. Extracting targeted contact details. Now that you've got your list of gold star directories, it's time to mine them for contact details. You'll want to develop a systematic approach to pull emails from these sites. And you have to do it right, because this is where the rubber meets the road. Let's break it down. Each directory has its own set of tools and filters that you can use to narrow down your search. Utilize these to sieve through the masses and isolate the contacts that fit your sweet spot. You're looking for the decision makers, the budget controllers, and the needle movers within your target market. Think of it as a treasure hunt. Use filters to separate the wheat from the chaff, drilling down by industry, company size, revenue, or geographical location. Once you have a segment that checks your boxes, extract their contact details. Keep this data organized, whether that's in a CRM or a meticulously managed spreadsheet. Remember, details change, people move on, and businesses evolve. This means you need to keep your contact list fresh and up to date. Regular maintenance prevents your emails from bouncing back, or worse, being marked as spam because you've emailed someone one too many times. In a nutshell, slicing through the directory with precision gets you a list of email contacts that have real potential. Don't let this step overwhelm you. Take it one filter at a time and watch your list of B2B prospects grow with quality leads. Step 3. Craft tailored outreach strategies. Armed with your list of curated contacts, you stand before a pivotal moment, reaching out. This isn't about firing off a generic newsletter, it's about forging connections. Your outreach needs to turn heads and ignite interest. The secret? Personalization. Your contacts don't want to feel like just another number. Use the directory information to segment your email list. This will allow you to tailor your messages based on industry, company size, and even individual roles. Personalized emails have a better chance of being opened, read, and acted upon. Next, let's talk content. The insights from these directories can be a wellspring for creating compelling messages. They can guide you towards speaking your prospect's language, striking pain points, and offering solutions that resonate deeply. For instance, you grab key details about a company from Clutch.co. You discover their recent focus on sustainability. Bingo! In your email, you spotlight your service's eco-friendly benefits. You're not just selling now, you're solving their problem, and then they've only just met you. Monitoring your campaign's performance is non-negotiable. Keep an eye on open rates, response rates, and conversion metrics. If something's not clicking, it's time to adjust your sales. Test different subjects, tweak your calls to action, and swap out content until you find the formula that works. Wrapping it up, a tailored outreach is your ace in the hole. It's about quality over quantity, relationships over transactions. By dialing into the data from niche directories and crafting personalized strategies, your email campaigns will become the stuff of legend. Well, at least in your industry. In wrapping up, it's clear that harnessing the power of niche directories isn't just smart, it's crucial for accurate and effective B2B email targeting. Remember that leveraging platforms like Clutch.co and Crunchbase.com is about being strategic with your outreach, ensuring every email sent is a measured step towards connecting with your ideal customer. Keep in mind, your email campaigns can only be successful if you're talking to the right people. Niche directories are your best bet for finding these contacts. They are your roadmap to the kind of leads that are actually looking for what you're offering. Don't forget to keep your lists fresh and your messaging tailored. This isn't a set-it-and-forget-it situation. It's an ongoing process that demands attention and tweaking. The work you put in to maintain updated contact details and continuously refine your email strategy will pay off in spades. Consider this approach your new norm. Precision targeting will guide your emails to the inboxes that matter, nurture worthwhile conversations, and ultimately forge valuable business connections. Get ready to see your response rates climb and your sales cycle shorten. It's about making every word count and every email a potential handshake.